mind is everything. You do not know the powers of your mind. Your mind can just like that create any world you want, just like how it creates any dreams it wants within few seconds. It can just put you in different state of consciousness altogether within few seconds and show a different world in front of you. See how you are dreaming. All it takes is just 2 seconds and you fall into the dream. You fall into that unconscious state and you start dreaming. Yesterday one of our brahmacharini was asking, Swamiji, how do you raise us to such high states just like that and awaken the Kundalini? For you to fall asleep and fall into the dream state, how much time it takes? Just few seconds. See, when you create an ambience, that low, dim light, darkness, and the body resting, cooperating for that sleeping mood. When your body cooperates and the ambience is right, you fall asleep just in few seconds. In few seconds the mood changes and you express the dream world of which you wanted. Same way, I create an ambience for you where your body is cooperating, steady, comfortable, and ready to raise to the different level. Just push you into that level. And your state of consciousness differs, and the things you express differs. Through awakening the Kundalini, I push you into the different state of consciousness. Now, if you understand the science little deeper, you can express whatever you want from your mind through dharana. Please understand. Understand the science of sleep. You will understand the science of dharana. What is sleeping? First, your state of consciousness should become different other than which you are now. It becomes almost dull. You become unaware of this body and slip into some state. After you slip in that state, your mind enters into a kind of a negative dharana where it starts expressing whatever it wants. That is what is dream. Now, the same thing I am doing it in opposite direction. I am raising you to the higher states of awareness, altered states of consciousness. In that state, if you consciously decide, you can take out anything you want from your mind. Just like how when you fall into unconsciousness, you can project anything you want as dream and live. When you are raised to consciousness, you can project anything you want and live. The science and ability to project anything you want and enjoy is dharana.